Welcome back guys to another JNTech video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. This is the 2018 version with the latest remote. There's also the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, which has Wi-Fi 6 and a much better processor. That one goes for around $40 and I got this one for around $25 during the holidays. But I recommend getting the Fire TV Stick 4K Max because it's a lot faster and it supports the Fire OS 7. Whereas this one only supports Fire OS 6. So on the side, what's included is the Fire TV Stick 4K, of course, the remote, 2 AAA batteries, the power adapter, the USB cable, and the HDMI extender cable. And on the other side, we have 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and Dolby Atmos. It also has a quad-core processor and Wi-Fi 5. But like I said, the 4K Max has a much better processor and Wi-Fi 6. So here's the back. Let's pull this back, dump everything out. Put this to the side. Okay, so this is what we're presented with. So you basically pull this and it unravels. So let's get started on the right side. As the user manual says hello, Fire TV Stick 4K, and on the back. And yeah, that's it for the manual. And in here we have the cable. It's a pretty long cable, USB-A on one end and micro USB on the other. And here's the HDMI extender. I'll explain what this is for in a moment. Now, to the other side, you have the remote. This has the TV controls and the pre-programmed apps. In here, you have the power adapter, USB-A, and here we have the Fire TV Stick itself. It's a pretty small stick. It powers off micro USB. You can plug that in right here, and there's an HDMI cable on the other end. So when plugging this in, it takes up a lot of space because it's super thick. That's why they include this. So you can plug this into here, and then plug this end into the HDMI port of your TV, so you can plug in other things as well. I know this is a short video, but that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Peace.